In front of me is XIAOMI 13, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads on this XIAOMI. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. It should be in Google folder. When you find it, click on it. Now tap on Browse at the bottom in the middle if it's not already on, and select Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!